I've been needing a new steamer so bad. My old one I have now literally leaks and like burns me every time I use it. Is it weird to call a steamer gorgeous? Because look how sleek this is. You can adjust the head as well to do a shirt or pants or something like that, or flip it right back and you can do it like this. I love that it's not bulky. You could easily throw this in your suitcase if you're going on vacation. I have a few things hanging up that I need to steam, so let's go try it out. My shirt looks so good, and this is just on the low setting. My dress and shirt are wrinkle-free. Look at that, how good that did, and that was just on the low. There's also a high, and then there's like a dry, which is like an iron. So if you need a portable steamer that will get the job done, definitely check out this one.